that's it. The rest, oh my God, like 20,000 gallons just to make one flush.
Daddy's 99 years old.
How old are you?
Hmm?
How old are you, Alice?
7 years old. Ow! That hurt it.
You had money in your pocket?
No.
You don't have no money?
No.
You don't have no money, can buy some lunch for daddy?
No.
Wow.
What do you want to eat?
What I want to eat?
Uh,
I want bun and cheese and a box milk. So yes guys, so just finished up my lunch and I'm gonna see if I can get this toilet replaced and see if I can change that angle valve, because when I do turn it off I just put a cup underneath it, so when I turn it off you can see what I'm talking about. There it is. That's the water. It's dripping water like crazy. So there it is. Yeah. I can change the seal inside of it, you know, but why don't, since you're changing the toilet, why don't just put on a new valve? You know, that's the best thing to do. Don't do one and then leave the other one, because this guy is whole, you know. Look at that. Look at that crazy stuff. It is literally, look at that. Crazy. So I'm gonna have to go underneath the crawl space and turn off the main and turn off the lock off valve and see if I can start to do some work on it. Okay guys, so yep, yeah, kinda crazy, man. Yeah, ain't no sense, man. So let me just empty out this toilet. Yep, gotta lose everything, take it out, and I'm gonna go turn off the water, turn off the supply line. So yeah, this is the first of 3 guys. This is the powder room. You know, as I said, my wife want me to change out all 3 of them out of the house. You got this, what is a 2.5 bath. This is the powder room on the first floor. You know, she wanted to go to a round, more water efficient. These guys are not water efficient. These guys use so much water to flush, man. So she said us change them out to more water efficient ones, and she don't want elongated ones no more. She want the round ones. So that's what she want, and that's what she gonna get. So so I'm just gonna change them out. So I'm starting from this one first, and then I move on to the next 2. All right guys, so stay tuned guys. I'm gonna have to go underneath the crawl space, turn off the supply line, and see if I can cut this valve off, because these ones are copper. These guys are soldered together. Yeah, they solder these guys together. They solder. This one have been soldered. So I don't have I don't have the tools to solder it. So I'm just gonna just cut it off and use a sharp bite. Just get a sharp bite to push over it, and that's it. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Okay. No PVC cement. No cutting, heating and soldering. Just cut it off, turn off the water, cut it off, and then just push on the shark bite, and that's it. Yep. So that's what I'm gonna do, guys. So let me just go underneath the crawl space, turn off the water, turn off the main supply line, and see if I can get this guy taken care of. Okay, guys, so see you in a few. So guys, I'm about to take this guy out, turn on the line, make sure the line is empty. Yup. Nothing is in there. The guy is empty. Yep. Guy is good. Yep. So I'm just gonna just yep. That's it. Yep. So the line is empty. Disconnect the supply line. Now yep. Yep. This guy right there. Lift him up. Beautiful. Yep. So yeah, that wax ring is done. I already purchased a new one. Line is clear and everything. Man, and I tell you, sometimes you need 4 hands and it's only 2. So guys, I'm gonna take this guy and put him in the garage and get the new one in. Look at that. Gotta paint that guy out. Yep. So get this guy out. Take out this guy. Yeah. Hold it, the whole wax ring. Some people will put the new one over it. No, I don't do it that way. Yep. And this guy now, I'm gonna have to cut this guy. Yep. This one ain't good, guys, so I'm cutting it off. It's dripping water and this guy ain't no good, man. It's leaking like crazy. Yep. Trash. And this guy, you just push this guy on it, man, and that's it. Yeah, that's it. Take off this. I don't need this. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Yeah. That's the tank. cover, seat. And toilet. Yep. So this guy is going out in the trash. Man. And this guy is a new one. So I already have my wax ring. Let me see which one they gave, which one comes with it. If the one with the ring. Now, oh yes, it's the one with the ring. Sure is. And this guy's still there. Yeah, this is for the floor. Yep. I don't like this seat that comes with it because it's like a little bit flimsy. I like to buy the hard seat. This one is not. This one is flimsy. I like to buy something like this. This is the hard seat. Yep. This is a good seat right here, guys. This guy right here, solid. This guy, so I'm gonna put him on today, but during the week I'm gonna change it and get something else. Get a more durable one for it. So let me bring this guy in the house and yep, get him installed. Trash. Yep. Since this is like yep. 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 That's it. Putting this guy on. Yep. Breathe them down. Yep. Yep. I think I'm gonna use the wing one. Yeah. Beautiful. Yep. Yep. Get that tank. Yep. Yep. Yeah. Behind the toilet need touching out of paint. I would have to go to those paint store and see if I can get it painted out a little later down the line, but not right now. So that's it. I'm gonna go back underneath the crawl space, turn on back the water, and come and see how everything works out. But should be good. That was easy. A lot of people have to fit it up together and then put it down. I don't like to do it that way, you know. It's me alone working, so I try to do it the best way I can. So let's go turn on the water and see how everything going, guys. So yes, guys, so just turn on back the main. See if there's no water dripping nowhere. Nope, there's no water dripping. Turn them on. Yep. Nothing right to me. Nothing. Yep. 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 Nice and good. Yep. No leaking or anything. Here is good. Beautiful. It's not gonna leak or anything. Yeah. Beautiful. Yeah. So, guys, that's the first of 3, and it wasn't so bad. The hardest part was just to go underneath the crawl space to turn off the main and cut the pipe. Was easy, 1, 2, 3. The only thing I'm gonna have to get a match, get a paint match for that behind the bowl, but I wasn't gonna put off this to go do that to paint, and then no, not time for that. A little later down the line I can take off the bowl or take off the tank and just paint it and put it on back. Yeah, so that's the least of my worries. Toilet is in use. This guy will save the water, because we noticed that the water bill, the water bill like went up, and the whole of toilets, they use a lot of water. These guys are like water efficient, you know, water efficient, and that's it. The rest, oh my God, like 20,000 gallons just to make one flush. Crazy. But yeah, guys, that's it, man. I'm gonna see if I can clean up, set up things, and wipe down the place properly. And so bad. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Not bad at all. Yep.